And these guys, when they're in here talking, they're not necessarily talking real loud, you know. They're just doing it at 4 o'clock in the morning, and it's easily heard over here, you know. And it's not something that you want to be doing out here at 4 o'clock in the morning, aggravating people, keeping them awake and so forth. People trying to live the so-called American dream. Like I told Eva, you know what a dream is, don't you? Would you rather live a real good life, or would you rather live an American dream? Because that's all this American dream is here, is just that, a dream. It's nothing to do with reality. When people are sitting here loading up a van that is overloaded against the law, and I want to tell anybody listening there, the public, if somebody gets killed when that guy drives on his way back to Atlanta, Georgia tonight, because he's overloaded illegally in a van instead of a truck, then you guys remember that this has also been recorded.